So our topic is Murakkab Idafi. Today's topic. Murakkab Idafi. Let's have a look at it. Murakkab Idafi. So that's our new construction. So we had Murakkab Tawsifi, Murakkab Jari, and today we have Murakkab Idafi, which is a compilation of Mudaf and Mudaf alayh put together. So what we have to really do here is to focus on a few points which are really, really important. Our vocabulary is not a problem. We have kitab and we have walad. Okay, so how are we going to put these together in Arabic to give that concept of Murakkab Adafi or possessive phrase? We can say this possessive phrase in English. Possessive phrase. So we want to make possessive phrase from these two nouns, and we will have to put them together in a special construction. So there are two rules which govern mudaf. Basically, this is kitabun and this is waladun. If we say indefinite, if we say definite, then it will be al-kitabu, that will be al-waladu. Now what happens that mudaf has got two important qualities, characters or attributes, and one of them is that mudaf never takes tanween. That's right, yeah, this way. So mudaf never takes tanween. That's the first rule, first principle of a noun being mudaf. Mudaf will never have tanween. And the second rule is that mudaf is, let's write down mudaf here. Mudaf will never take al of definiteness. Never takes al of definiteness. So this kitab, it could be kitabu, kitaba, or kitabi, but in this construction it cannot be kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, or al-kitabu, al-kitaba, al-kitabi. That's what this means. And there's only one rule which governs mudaf ilayh, and mudaf ilayh is always in state of jar. Mudaf ilayh always in state of that's the only condition for mudaf ilayh, always in state of jar. So we have murakkab idafi here, which is mudaf and mudaf ilayh, mudaf, and this is mudaf ilayh. So kitab is mudaf, walad is mudaf ilayh. Mudaf is not going to take tanween and it is not going to take al either. And walad, which is mudaf ilayh, will always be in state of jar. So these are the important principles which govern the rule of mudaf and mudaf ilayh being together put in a possessive phrase. So let's go back to our construction here. So we said mudaf is not going to take tanween, so that will remain kitab. It will become kitabu. Kitabu. And this will become al-waladi. Al-waladi. Kitabul waladi. The boy's book. The book of the boy. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Let's write down again to consolidate it. مضاف مضاف إليه مضاف إليه. So just like English, when we say the book of the boy, the book comes first, and here again mudaf comes first. So kitab al-waladi, kitabul waladi, kitabul waladi, the boy's book or the book of the boy. So looking here, just revising it, kitab is not going to take the mean, and it's not going to take al either. And mudaf will always be in state of jar. So it can't be al-waladu, al-walada, it will always be al-waladi. So we cannot say kitabul walada or kitabul waladu. The correct way of saying it, kitabul waladi, the boy's, the book of the boy. So simple rules, only have to remember them and keep them in mind. And whenever we see two nouns together and the second of them is in a state of jar, we will have to think of murakkab izafi, and we will look at mudaf. Mudaf will not have the mean and will not have al either, so that will confirm to us that this is murakkab izafi. It is not murakkab tawsifi, for example. So this is definitely murakkab idafi.